moncho munigeria we TV ya Kisii Hot TV niko na wakirenga mbye muno asenge nchyo kwere bire byago na chinga kichago kwendere gusanga amone ncho kira chinga ki niko na kwareganire asebire biga egere kumenya samungana lya twikire SMS yobora lya chinse chiga chabono iga njoso muri tane niko nkurkonyo puto Dennis gusina buwancha undangeri kukuri kuntu niko na kwareganire egere ncho kumenya lya twikire ase ebire biga umukonyi w'umugavana wa county ya Kisii umusike Dr. Robert Monda umukomishana wa county ya Kisii abawateneneri b'abanyagitari imiye county ya Kisii amuna babatani bande litukolia rero niko basokire na anemo no kwigora enyagitari ya Nduru level 4 hospital eya sekiro asege kage chiki ibere kakwana kurasa magacho abasongo umukonyi w'umugavana wa county ya Kisii umusike Dr. Robert Monda niko atebire buna niko esegi eye negative asenyagitari ya Nduru level 4 hospital niko eye negative na koletwa amuna bana siasa asasa bire bana siasa kwebeka ensemo eriko tareta ebimechando gochase kinyagitari na anene mona koleta omorembe none boyiko niko amotire bana siasa bari bagwasonania asege yo egendrete asenyagitari ya Nduru level 4 hospital na gosaba kwana na chinga kichabene gochia ase abanyagitari none boyiko mo commissioner we county ya Kisii nere niko enekere buna niko atebire bana siasa kwebeka kando na anene mono asata bire niko agochukwana na oborendi wesaine gochase kinyagitari chonse epi chicho korega asi chinsa chamuga suna botuko eriko tako chikonyora muchano onde bwansi kurwa asi abantu bari bakoreta emiburukano none bwo niga tebire buna onde bwansi kala chikutoyekana oyo chikoreta muchando gocha asabanya gitari na chikomukerirwa egetambuko kiyabene korengana amoneri chiko nonyina boyigo kurwa asi ensemo y'abanyagitari abateneneri b'abanyagitari kurwa asorosagirwa gusi gose account ya Kisii niko basoke tukolya rero nako tabuna tibago getugoneka korogia korekanete asabanyagitari barwanetigu asenseme ose asenyagitari ya Nduru level 4 hospital egetukirete nyagitari yo kunganya gose gote gose kenyagitari yo aseba sabire bono abanyagitari abane ngasenseme yo kwerana egasi rimorioka gotakari tukolya mambya weikali tukolya Jumatatu eriuchukoneke bunango chukana nabare ebo gwene gocha asabantu benseme ya South Mugirango na kugendera negasi yabo buno botambe na nene muna sabasabire muna asebali ba chukwate burkano tubabeso chukwaneke kwalete burkano gocha asenyagitari yo na anene muno asabate bire muna abana siasa bachikotenenera asensemo na kwena na abanyagitari kugendera gukora egasi yabo buno botambe arubotoro asenchira yobokiranu
Jambo. I want to also add my voice on behalf of the Governor of Kisii, Honorable Simbarati, and the entire government of this county, that truly the Nduru people, the South Mugirango people have suffered because of the absence of health services. It is because of the way our leadership has handled itself that has caused this. And it is clear, me included, it is the politicians who have hurt the people of Nyamarambe, South Mugirango. Let me thank the unions who have had negotiations, discussions with His Excellency the Governor, and also the County Commissioner who is here with us on matters of security for the healthcare workers. I want to thank you because you have decided to take back your services so that our people in South Mugirango do not continue suffering. Thank you very much. With the assurance from the County Commissioner that security is guaranteed, deployment of security personnel 24 hours in Nduru Health Facility, Nduru Hospital, and also all the level 4s and our level 5 facilities, so that we assure our healthcare workers that they have the security and continue serving our people. My warning to our people: you can't break the leg that you used to walk. We cannot beat up the healthcare workers and then ask them to give us service when they are nursing the injuries. I'm asking our people, let's rethink some conducts that we find ourselves in, that we should desist from hurting public servants. They are here to serve us. When we send them away, we lose service, we suffer. So it is my prayer to the entire lot of people in the entire county that we must behave. We pull our socks, we pull up our socks in the way we handle our public servants. It doesn't matter what. We should not mishandle our security personnel. We should not mishandle our healthcare workers, not our teachers. Anyone who is giving us service, their business to serve us. And the time we hurt them, we are hurting service that will come to our people. Finally, as a politician to the political class, it is not right for us to take law into our hands, cause such a commotion, injuring people in the name of doing politics. I've been told here, and we have heard in the meeting we have just held, that some politicians will want healthcare workers to come out of serving the patients so that they can clap for them as they arrive in the healthcare center. Which one is more important, the clapping or the saving of a life? So it is not right. A warning, the leadership in South Mogrango, please help us this embarrassment. It's not right, it's not fair. We must behave and live according to the level of positions we have asked people to give us. That's all I want to say. Thank you, healthcare workers. Go back, serve our people. And we are assured the county commissioner will do the rest in terms of security. Thank you very much.
Asante sana, Mheshimiwa DG and your team. Let me also begin by appreciating the gesture that has been demonstrated by the Medics Union this afternoon. We have been able to make a breakthrough after agreeing that they go back to Nduru Hospital and have the facility operationalized. In terms of security, because these are an area that they have expressed a lot of apprehension, we have assured them that we have put in place adequate arrangements to provide them with security on 24/7 basis. In areas they feel that there is need for additional security, we are going to dedicate those areas with a view of ensuring that they attend to their profession uninterrupted. We have also agreed that we are going to deploy security personnel at all level of hospitals in the county. And we have therefore instructed the sub-county security teams to also have regular meetings with the Medics Union and the hospital administrations in their respective sub-counties with a view of ensuring that there are no gaps as far as matters of security are concerned. Let me also, at this juncture, just caution the political class in the county that we are watching them, and going forward, we are considering putting sanction on some of them if they are going to be found to be involved in destructive activities and things that are likely to cause destruction within the county. On a few occasions, we have heard the political class being blamed, and I think we want them to live to those expectations that they are political leaders and they should be able to provide constructive ideas as far as matters of development are concerned in this sub-county. So mimi nataka kuhakikishia wananchi wa Nduru Hospital tumekubaliana na madaktari na serikali ya county government ya kwamba hospitali inafunguliwa kuanzia kesho, na tutapeana msaada wa usalama mahali popote pale inahitajika, na mahospitali zote za Kisii level 4 vile vile zitakuwa zikilindwa na askari wa utawala ili kuhakikisha kwamba hakuna visa vya uhalifu na kuzorota kwa usalama. Tumesema vile vile ya kwamba tunakumbusha wanasiasa ya kwamba wako na jukumu la kuleta maendeleo katika sehemu hii, na tunawatahadharisha kwa kujiingiza kwa visa ambazo zinachangia kwa kuhatarisha maisha ya wananchi. Nataka wawe viongozi ambao watachangia mambo ya maendeleo katika sehemu hii. Tunafahamu vizuri kwamba suala la health, mambo ya hospitali is a devolved function, na kwa hivyo pia maana hiyo ni kuleta services closer to the people. Kwa hivyo hatutataka kuona hospitali zikifungwa tena, kwa vile tunaweka maisha ya wananchi katika hali ya hatari. Asanteni sana.
Clinical Officers, Union Kisii Branch. As my co-secretary has alluded, we have agreed, but let it be a stern warning. If anybody attempts to do anything to healthcare workers, we cannot hesitate to close our facility. Because we are not just crossing, we are just withdrawing our services. Because you see, you don't need it. We stay home, or we will be deployed to another place. So as we have agreed, we just thank the county government of Kisii, His Excellency the Governor, and the Deputy, the County Commissioner. Because the people of Nduru wameumia ya kutosha. Na kama kuna mwenye hajasoma, aone chenye kilifanyika Nduru. Tusiongee mingi, watu wa Nduru warudishwe services from now henceforth. Latest by Monday, watu warudi kazi.
Kwa majina naitwa Moses Irianga Onkenge, Secretary wa Nurses Union Kisii Branch. Tunataka kusema ya kwamba tumefikiana makubaliano na County Commissioner and the Office of the County Government ya kwamba ile maneno ilikuwa huko Nduru tujaribu kusuruhisha, ndio afadhali watu wetu waweze kupata matibabu huko. What we are saying, the politician to keep off from interfering with the health matters, na wananchi waweze kupata matibabu vizuri. Kwa hivyo tunataka kusema ya kwamba madaktari wenzetu warudi kazi kufikia Monday, waendelee kupeana matibabu katika eneo la Nduru, na security tumekubaliana ya kwamba ipewe katika ile hospitali itakuwa 24 hours. Na mtu yeyote asikuje kusumbua madaktari huko, wape madaktari amani, waendelee kutibu wagonjwa, maana wameteseka kwa hii muda mrefu yenye wamekuwa nje. Na wale vijana wenzetu wanatumika kuharibu na kupiga madaktari. Iwe onyo ya mwisho, mtu yeyote asijaribu kugusa daktari, na ikue funzo katika hizi sub county zote 9 katika eneo la Kisii County. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema ya kwamba County Commissioner, asante sana kwa kutuambia ya kwamba kuna security na itakuwa na hakuna mtu atakuwa anacheza na daktari yeyote. Kwa hivyo nashukuru, na Mungu aendelee kuwajalia katika haya wakati matibabu yatakuwa yanapewa huko South Mugirango.
Biemu na singi chokore bire byago ne kika kicha kwa ndera gusanga amone ntwe. Tukole rero kitariki 12 cy'umutinyo gatano umwaka wa 2023 ni gode ngari tukodi abanyagitari kwa Kinasi eri bakoroka nka Happy International Nurses Day. Anosi asemure ni gotogote babuna Happy International Nurses Day anosi asemure. Biemu na singi cy'ugusanga amone ntwe kare kinga kindi wana kwa nande kika kicine asingo cy'ukumanya amanganande ayago cy'utekera ase ebiro binde. Kurende asamure tane ni ngonkuru kunyu Dennis wasana wancha unangeri kukuri kunto asaboni gana achire tuminane ebiro binde.